Hi, my name is Neil. Welcome to this presentation today of my mobile app called ExpArt. ExpArt has been designed to help connect amateur and up-and-coming artists with experts and professionals in their chosen artistic field. ExpArt will allow its users to arrange video calls with an artist, to seek out their expertise. It will feature a community forum and gallery where other users can share their experience and showcase their work, as well as all the information you would need on events and art shows in the user's local area. Today's goal is to show you just how the app functions and to really focus down on its main feature of finding and calling an expert artist. So let's dive right in. I'm going to sign up. I'm going to sign up today using my email address. So it's asked me to create an account. I'll type my name in, and then I will agree to the terms of service before creating my account. We've now been taken through into a 4-page onboarding section, which gives the user some more details about what to expect in this app. You can see that more than 350 experts have already signed up that I can choose from to look at their work and to call them. You can have an expert review your work and help you improve. So the main feature, the main aim of this app is to try and improve the artistic skill of an amateur or someone who is learning their trade. The art world is so often a closed shop. It's very insular, it's very hard to get in, and so I want to just help people improve their skills by asking someone on this very easy to use app about what they do and how they do things, tips, techniques, hints, and just general help. And then be inspired by the expert's work and connect with like-minded artists. It's now asking me to pick what artistic fields I would like. Therefore, I will be recommended experts in those particular fields. I'm into painting and illustration, but you could always change that if you want to and make it ceramics, or you can make it digital art. But today I'm going to stick to painting and illustration. So let's get started. If you can now just imagine that we are a returning user rather than a new user. So I'm just coming back onto my app now as Isabel, who I signed up as. This shows me all the things that I've been doing on the app. I've chatted 3 times, I've made 8 calls, I've spoken for a total of 4 hours. It then talks me through posts that I have put on here. I've attended 1 event last week, and I've favorited 2 of the experts. As it mentions here 3 posts, I might just go and have a look at my own gallery space to start with, just to see what I have posted and to see if anyone has liked or commented on it. So let's go to the My Profile section. I will choose the My Gallery. You can see here's my name, here's my profile picture, and these are all the pictures that I have posted. These 3 I just put on here last week. Let's go back to the My Profile. While we're here, I also need to add a new payment method as my credit card recently expired. So I will choose the credit or debit card option. Here's where I need to input all of the data in these fields. Just double check my number is correct. My address. Okay, let's save these details. Excellent, it's saved my card. I can now connect and pay for the calls with my chosen expert. Alright, let's return to the home page now and look through some of these recommended experts. So I've been recommended Sachin and Isabel, Rosa, Kay, Mary, and so on. And you can see a short example here of their work. If I wanted to change the artists from painter to ceramicist or to sculptor or someone who does digital artwork, I would click here on the filter. You can see that it already has chosen for me. Well, I chose painting and illustration, but of course if you'd like to change that to ceramics, you can do. For today, I'm just going to stick with painting and illustration, the two that I originally chose. And as she has the same name as me, let's take a quick look at Isabel's profile. You can see she's got 4 stars out of 5. A little bit of a blurb about her here. And then there's also a small gallery where I can see some of her work. We can take a closer look if we want to at some of her paintings and see this beautiful still life on the full screen. Let me maybe just check out maybe another artist. We've got Rosa here, who's a painter and an illustrator. Let's click on Rosa. Again, she's got 3.5 stars, 17 euros a call. This looks like an interesting piece of artwork. We can see it up close. But I think today we're going to stick with the first recommended artist for us, who is Sachin. I'll just read his reviews to make sure that he is worth calling. You can see he's got pretty good reviews. He's got the 4 stars out of 5. He's got pretty high level on these bars, and then some recent reviews. So we've got Jim and Carl. Jim saying here that Sachin helped me get over my artist block. He's awesome. Okay, and these are recent, May 2022. So he does seem like he's going to be someone good to call. I think just before I do decide on Sachin, I'm just going to send him a message just to make sure that our personalities don't clash and we will get on. It's worth my time. So send him a quick message here saying that I like your style. We have similar styles. Can you help me? And great, he responded very quickly within 20 minutes. He said, sure, send me some of your pictures over. We'll take a look. So I really think that this is the guy for me. Let's see if I can arrange a call with him. Okay, so here's his calendar. Why don't we just choose today's date, the 18th of July. And let's just choose around about now, around about 11 o'clock. So I'm almost done. Here's the details. Date, time, duration, cost. The money will be debited from my card, which I've just entered. I would like to confirm. Oh, whoops, I pressed cancel. Now I get a box. Are you sure you wish to cancel this call? No, I do want to make this happen. So I'd go through to confirm. And there we go. Congratulations. Your call has been confirmed. We've updated your calendar and sent you a message. I can now go back to the ExpArt and I can continue to look through Sachin's paintings, get a closer look, and I'll get myself prepared for the call we're about to have. This has just been a very quick review of the new app called ExpArt. Download it now in the App Store. Thank you for listening.